Want to know how to make the Dubai brownie? That's what we're making today. Simple to make as long as you have the ingredients. You have to start with a brownie, 9x9 pan. And this is my recipe. I'm going to try to link it to this video so you can check out the recipe for homemade brownies. But if you can't do that, get a box of brownies and prepare a box of brownies like this. Let them cool completely for a good hour before you start. The other ingredient we're going to need is kataifi. We call it kataifi. In other nationalities, they call it something else, but we call it kataifi. It's a shredded phyllo dough, and you can get these on Amazon. You're going to need this. You're going to need the pistachio cream, and this actually I got from Costco. You're going to need good chocolate. Okay, let's get all this together. Our Dubai brownie. First thing we're going to do is measure out 1.25 cups of the kataifi. You see, it's a shredded phyllo dough. In a pan with 2 tablespoons of butter, we'll melt that. Once the butter has melted, we'll put in our kataifi and we'll toss it to lightly brown it. Keep tossing it so it doesn't burn. Just want to lightly brown it. And you got to catch it because when it starts, it starts. That's good. We'll turn it off. You want to take 2/3 cup heavy cream, heat it up to a very hot temperature because we're going to pour that hot cream onto our chocolate chips. We have here 1¼ cups chocolate chips. Take your shredded kataifi and put it in a bowl. Should look like this. You want to measure 1¼ cup for the pistachio. I'm using this handy measuring cup, which is on my showcase. Up in. See how nice it slides out? And then I'll measure 1/4. It helps you measure really nicely. So now we have 1¼ cup of pistachio. We're going to mix the kataifi dough with that and incorporate it. The chocolate chips. At this point, you don't want to touch it. They'll melt. Here's our mixed pistachio cream and the kataifi dough. That is the first layer on our brownies, which are cool. So we'll get that in there. Get an even spread of this layer. See, this is just like the Dubai chocolate bars, but it's a brownie.